Hey, welcome. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to update Debutify, the world's highest converting theme. Let's get started. So you can download the new theme without copying theme settings and custom code. This will reset the theme to default, just like the first time you downloaded the theme. If you want to copy the theme settings, you can select Copy Theme Settings from the options and select Theme from where you wish to copy the theme settings from. You have the Copy Custom Code option. Take both of these options, copying theme settings and copying custom code, as the theme will be downloaded as unpublished without disturbing or overriding your published theme or another Debutify theme in your store. You can test this draft theme, and if everything is working fine, you can publish it. Or try again by copying the theme settings option. And now, a couple of FAQs. Will it overwrite the current Debutify theme? No, it will not. It will be downloaded as a new theme with your theme settings or settings that you've selected while adding it. Why are other apps not working? The theme is unpublished, so many apps don't install their code automatically in draft themes. They install it on published themes. Most likely when you publish it, the third-party code will install automatically. This is especially true for review apps. Some apps have the option to install their code in draft themes, but you have to check that option in the respective app. Can I install multiple Debutify themes in the same store? Yes, you can. There is no restriction from our end, but Shopify on the basic plan, you can only have 20 themes in one store. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.